everyone, it's Aderonke here, your independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay Cosmetics, and I have exciting news for you today. Guess what? Right? I have an offer for you. Yeah, it's the beautiful flawless face kit. Yes, so now you don't have to, have all your makeup all over the house or all over your bag. You can have it nicely kept in one place. Yes, it's the Flawless Face Foundation Kit. Yay! So you put all your Flawless Face Foundation products in here, and then you can put in your brushes, so your foundation brush and your powder brush goes there. And guess what, it also comes with five makeup brushes. Yeah, 5 makeup brushes. You would love it. It's got a brow brush, it's got a crease brush, and it's got a blending brush as well. Excellent. Okay, so I'm just so excited that we can have everything all in one place. Okay, so guess how much I'm offering you, my beautiful clients, this set from 99 pounds. Yes, this is from 99 pounds. Okay, so the worth of what you're getting for 99 pounds is actually almost 120 pounds. Yes, you heard me right, almost 120 pounds, but you get it for 99 pounds only. And if you want to add on the other options, you can, like the beauty blending brush, the beauty blender, you can add that, and you can add one extra powder, cream to powder. Choice is yours, but at basic you will get your foundation, your primer, a powder, concealer, 2 brushes free, the whole of the makeup bag. The makeup bag on its own is 35 pounds. But you get all of that, and you also get the 5 brushes. So all of your makeup in one place, your full flawless face kit in one place, your brushes in one place, and guess what? It has a detachable makeup bag. Exciting. That's really exciting. Really exciting, ladies. And all you need to do is just fold it up nicely and hold it down. That's it. Yay! Really exciting, isn't it? I'm so excited. Just 99 pounds. Just 99. And hey, guess what? So this is my other bag where I've got fatter makeup bag inside. It's the same bag, but in this one I've got all my makeup. So this is the one I carry to work. It's got everything inside. It's got my foundation, it's got my brush, my sharpener for my brow pencil, it's got my mascara, it's got my serum C, it's got my concealer, more mascara, my go-to lip liner. Okay, what else? It's got my brow pencils, it's got primer, it's got CC cream, all in one bag. Okay, so it's really cool, isn't it? Yeah, it's got lipstick 1, nail color, emergency nail color, one more lipstick, right? Another lipstick, yeah. Another. And there's so much more. There's still more in the bag. Look at that. So this bag really is versatile. It can carry a lot. Okay, so yeah, if you want just the bag and the makeup brush, get in touch. But if you want the full kit, which is, it comes with a free foundation brush and a free powder brush and the makeup bag itself and your flawless face foundation kit and your makeup brushes, just for 99 pounds. 99. Get in touch with Lauretta, aka Limitless Lauretta. Smile and be limitless. Bye.